Editing a repair order. There are several ways to edit repair order information in MaxxTraxx. Individual repair orders can be accessed and edited through the Service Schedule, Status Workflow, or Tech Workflow tabs. Please note that the repair order information cannot be edited when the repair order is in completed status. You must change the status to something other than complete to make edits. For example, in the Tech Workflow tab, you can simply double-click on the repair order to open it for editing. You can also right-click on the RO to open a tile that will provide access to many important functions. To open the repair order, click on the aptly named Edit Repair Order button, or click on the repair order number in the upper right corner of the tile. The Status Workflow screen functions the same way. To make edits on a repair order from the Service Schedule screen, you can also right-click on the highlighted repair order to open the same tile, double-click on that line, or simply hit the Enter key. Once the repair order is displayed, there are several areas that can be edited. If you click on the repair order number, you can actually change it if needed. Clicking on the customer's name opens up the Customer Master Record, where any desired edits can be performed. Clicking on the vehicle information opens up the Vehicle Master Record, where changes can also be made. Please note that changes done to master records such as sales tax rate or mileage will not reflect on the current repair order. Changes to the current repair order must be made from the repair order itself. The tabs on the left of the window allow you to edit and review several items. You can add a warranty statement, document revisions to the original estimate, add or edit notes, and assign marketing letters or emails. Of particular note is the Miscellaneous tab, where the tax code and vehicle mileage can be edited. You can also apply or change repair order level discounts or supply charges. Back at the repair order view, double-click on any labor or parts line to review or edit information. Note that any discounts applied here are for that labor or parts line only. And finally, the Options button at the upper left gives you access to many of these editable fields and several more functions. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.